today's video, we are going to discuss how to contact LinkedIn directly to help you lift your restriction or to tell them your problem, because some of you also they scammed you. Scamming in the sense they got access to your account and activated two-factor authentication, which is very hard for some to remove. You understand? So as I promised, I said I'm going to do this video, and I am very happy that my video is working. Let me tell you guys, that it didn't work for you don't mean that it didn't work for others. I am very happy that some people reached out to me on my WhatsApp saying thank you so much. I was able to lift my restriction. Okay, now let me show you some people. Okay, that's to tell you that I take time. I don't just rush and do video. I make research. I gather many informations to make it easy for you guys. You understand? So let me just take you to my WhatsApp. I'm going to show you one or two people who just came to me, saying thank you that they read the video worked. I don't know. I posted them in my group. Finding their this thing now is not going to be easy. So let me just come to this one. Alright, so this is the guy. He said he just sent me this thing. He has been disturbing me, as you can see. Hi, sent me this thing, disturbing me. But when he don't sent me this one, and I don't say wow, congrats. This person is the next person. Don't mind, this is a payment that I'm making for people. In case you have LinkedIn account, you also rent. Let me show you that guy. Okay, this one say, hello ma, I'm just happy now. The update is working. And this person got payment instantly. Like this person, his account got restricted on the day of his payment, and I paid this one. I think I paid him $28. Yeah, I paid him. This is when he sent me the thing. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the name. Okay, they have changed it already, but look at his payment here. This is his payment, Ibrahim. So this is the next person that the video also worked for. These are for the few people that came to me. Am I correct? Thank you very much. My LinkedIn account has been opened due to the YouTube video you made. I followed the process. Thank you. So my YouTube video, it's used to help. I cannot assure everybody that if you do it, it's going to work perfectly for you, but my happiness is that at least it's going to help some of you. So we keep on trying our best. Then let me tell you, do you know reason why I also like recommending this, contacting them on social media? Because sometimes I might tell you that your account will remain restricted on email, and if you come to contact them here, they might change. They might say, okay, we will look at the matter. You understand? Okay, we are going to open it. You understand that kind of thing? They might, you know what they told you before that they will tell you again. So now this is how to contact them. This is Facebook. You can contact them on Facebook and Twitter. Twitter is also working by tagging them. They're going to reply by tagging them. So this is how to contact them on Facebook. You're going to message them here. Okay, I'm gonna protect my distance. The link is broken, but you're going to message them. I don't know, I deleted Facebook from my phone because I just finished my exam, so I deleted many social media apps. So I don't know, maybe because I'm using the site, you understand? But you're going to message them. It's still bringing me back. I think I need the app. I don't know, but just try and message them on this Facebook. That's how to do it. Just message them, explain the problem to them, and they are going to reply you. Another way to get them is, let me show you the link. I'm going to materials, and let me say in the comment section, because I believe it's going to help. This is how to contact them. Number one, contact LinkedIn. Verify your identity to recover account access. This is the precaution, the steps, okay, everything. You can also contact LinkedIn via email. You can contact them through email. So this is some of the email that LinkedIn you can use to reach out to LinkedIn. These are some of the emails, you understand? You can use them to reach out to LinkedIn. You can also reach out to them by doing this. That's, you can appeal without even signing in. and this link here, it will allow you to request after you got logged in. This is the link you use, like those people that cannot log in, you understand. This is the one I sent the that time, and this one is the one you use to appear when you log in, and then you verify your this thing, your account. This is for the social media. I talked about Facebook, I talked about Twitter. This Twitter I just checked, okay. It's going to take me a long time, so I just have to just explain it. When you enter Twitter, you tag them at LinkedIn help. At LinkedIn help, I'm also going to drop this thing. I will show you the this thing. Their handle is at LinkedIn help. Okay, look at it here at the ending. That ending, LinkedIn help, you're going to target the ending, okay? Or you can click this thing directly. I'm going to screenshot all these things I sent. If possible, I'll copy them out. And then this is the Facebook, facebook.com/LinkedIn. This is where to get to them. You can reach out to them. Don't just think your account has gone finally. So people that have first decision and complaining, that one is the easiest, okay? This is where to verify, and it's very, very simple. So I believe this material is also going to help. I'm going to share the site in the comment section so that you take your time and then do the verification. I believe this video is going to help you and lift your restriction. If you also have LinkedIn accounts to rent, or you're looking for trusted partners to trusted companies to partner with, you can reach out to us. We're going to offer you a good rate. Understand? Please, guys, I would like to appreciate you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not, please, I'm begging, it's very, very important to me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, also share this thing to those who are in need.